welcome back to Living in Thailand. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming on back. Your girl got a new video, and this time it's about a wig. So yes, if you saw this title, you saw that I am going to basically install and give my thoughts on this game changer wig. It says it's a game changer, so hopefully it is, and it will be. So this is by Curls and Kinks, and I got color 1B, and then for the curly, I guess, side, I got a 4B, 4C. So I got the kinky one. So yeah, this is my first time. I don't really wear wigs. I'm not gonna say it's my first time wearing a wig. I don't really wear wigs at all. And if I do wear wigs, they are of this like curlier texture. And I saw a couple of reviews on YouTube where they said it was super easy and that it actually mimics natural hair, so I wanted to give it a try. I am super nervous because I've never done this on camera before, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to look stupid, but I wanted to see, and I ordered this, and hopefully this can be my holiday hair so I don't have to do my hair for Christmas. So yeah, let's get on into it. So this is how it is, and y'all, if this is a bad wig review, I apologize. It's my first one. We'll get better together. Anyways, coming out of the package, it has this, so hopefully I can look very similar to this girl, because she looks like her game was changed. Okay, so right, look, it is pretty. It looks pretty on camera. It looks really pretty on camera. I don't know if my head's gonna fit this. Okay, it has straps, has adjustable straps too, which I know that's what the girls like. It does have lace. It's a lace. Is this a lace? It's a lace wig. All right, so it's a lace with the middle part. Cool, cute. It looks cute. It looks like a really, like somebody took out some mini twists and their hair is super curly. So I'm going to, I guess, install this. Do I cut the lace first or do I put it on first? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I don't know if my hair gonna fit. All right, so right now I have this head wrap on. I'm gonna take this off. I just have some braids under here. I do have a wig cap. I don't know where I got this from, but it was in my hair stash and I got it. So that's what people wear, right? They wear wig caps, so I'm gonna put on a wig cap. Probably should take, yeah, I don't think I need a wig cap with my scarf. So yeah, told you my hair is in braids. I'm just gonna put this on. All right, so I did put this on. I do have a middle part because I know I was gonna wear this wig, or I was gonna try this wig, so I did try to make the part a little bit straighter. I am so nervous, y'all. So I have not cut the lace. I just put a wig cap on, and we're gonna put it on and see. It does have clips. I mean, it has the combs. I don't think this is gonna fit my head.
Whoa.
One, this does not fit my head. I need, oh Lord. Y'all, why wigs don't ever look good on me? Like, I don't understand. I can never really find a wig that's gonna do right. All right, first of all, I'm not mad at how it looks like this. Honestly, I'm not. It does look like natural hair. I don't know what's this about. Like, I don't know. The hair looks, this is actually pretty cute. I don't mind that. I don't know what I'm doing up here. I don't know what this is doing. So I'm going to take this off, cut the lace, and then see if it fits my head. Oh! This thing, when I say this thing is, oh my gosh, what is going on? Who do I think I am? Who do I think I am? Okay, so yeah, I don't. So I'm not mad at it. I think that maybe I should cut it a little bit closer to the lace. I don't know. Honestly, don't know really what I'm doing, but I think that this is kind of cute. I think that this may have to be my version of like a headband wig. What do you guys like? I think it's cute. Like, I definitely think it's cute. It's a lot of hair, so that is something to be cautious about. I'm gonna see if they say you can do a side part. Who doing a side part with that? How? Let me read this. Oh, they just put it to the, they just shifted it to the side. Okay. I don't. All right, y'all. Okay, so I think that this is actually a pretty good wig. I do think it is a good wig. I think that I don't know what I'm doing, so that's why. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I know what I'm doing. So it could be something though. I think it's giving holiday if you don't look at the middle of my head. I think it's giving something. It's giving something. I definitely think it may need to be cut and shaped. I'm gonna try and see what it looks like with my scarf on, because I'm pretty sure that's how I'm gonna be wearing this. So yeah, guys, I can't fool with the lace, so I'm just gonna put a scarf on it and just call it a DIY. Woo! Y'all, this is a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair, for sure. But I think that, you know, instead of me looking a little busted when I wear my scarf, I can put this hat on and still wear my scarf and look a little bit more put together. I guess my official review is I'm not mad at it. I don't think I wasted my money. I definitely think it's gonna come in handy. I definitely like how it looks with the scarf on. I'm not, if you're not a lace girl, then this may not be the wig for you unless you're gonna, you know, rock it like this, because I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't know what I'm doing. And yeah, but I think that if you are a wig person and you know what you're doing and you know how to manipulate and make it work, then this could definitely be a look. If you are that person, please let me know down below so you can help me, because I really think that this wig can be something. It does look like natural hair. And yeah, I like it. I like it like this though. I definitely think I like it a little bit more not exposed at the top, because I don't like that wig look. Like, I don't know how to make my hair look like it's not like it's the same as that. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna stop it right there. I think that it looks cute like this. I don't know what I'm doing as far as a lace wig, so all of your comments and advice and feedback is welcomed. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a nice, safe holiday, and see you in the next one.